I came into my restroom the other day and there was water leaking everywhere on the floor. First I thought it was coming from the bottom of the toilet, but come to find out it was coming out through that lever there. What was happening is my flush kit there wasn't working as good, so the water was overflowing and going through that right there, and then it was leaking out. So what I did is bought a new one. I'm going to replace it. What we got to do is drain the water from the case back here, and then take off that nut there, this white one, unscrew it, water will come out that's left in the tank, and then replace the new one. All right, as you can see, I went ahead and removed this. I did not tell you, before you do that, make sure you turn off this valve here. And of course you're gonna have water running out because that's coming from inside the tank that was still left over. Once that is done, you take that off, and then you have another gadget here that you gotta take off. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, like a plastic nut, and I'm taking off. This one here, you take that one off. I usually save them because you never know if you're going to need one later on. And this comes out like this. This is the old one, and the way I knew it was kind of going out because it started making a whistling sound. So let's go ahead and get the new one. As you can see, this is the new one here. It's a universal, and we're going to install it. It goes down in that hole there, and then you just put everything back together. Ready? Once you put the new one, make sure you adjust this to the height you want it. I usually go to 11.5, 12, because if you put it too high, of course the water will go higher than the lever and it'll come down. So 10, 11 would be a good one. Once you got that on, you got to put this little gadget in here. You squeeze it in. If you can see, that's just to kind of put it in. It holds the holes in place. And then once you do that, you kind of just clip it on. Kind of like that. And then you turn on the water. And let's see if it raises. Starting to go up, so everything looking good, no leaks. I think that did it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.